Hey friends, it's Donovan. You hear me talk a lot about referencing my renters as renter partners. So I want to give you a little more insight into what that means to me and how we live that in our business. So one, again, we set that relationship up, and from the very beginning, we encourage our renter partners to reach out to us if they have an issue with the property. If something goes wrong, call us. We're not going to be mad. I'm not going to bite your head off. I'm not going to instantly blame you for that. If something needs to be addressed, we appreciate you letting us know, because ultimately it's protecting the investment. And so recently, we had one of our renters, we have a condo that we manage, a second story condo. The renter called us and said, hey, I have some water leaking here with the AC unit here, and I don't know what to do. So thank you for letting us know. Let's get on that. Let's get that resolved, get it checked out for you. So peak AC breakout season here. We were able to get somebody out there, a great vendor that we have, within 48 hours to take a look at it. Turns out the condensate line was blocked and it was leaking water into the unit. So my vendor was able to get that unblocked, get everything cleared up, and get that water fixed. And my vendor actually called me and said, you're lucky that you guys got to this when you did, or it could have been a lot worse. And you have some serious water damage in that. And so cost my client $200. We got it fixed. We avoided a potentially larger water issue, remediation, potentially mold. And it all started because we have great renters. And they called us and they said, hey, this is an issue. And we didn't dismiss them. We listened to them. We heard them out, and we helped solve the problem together. And that is exactly why I call my renter partners. They're there to help us to protect your investment and make sure everything goes well. So if that's something that sounds great to you, give us a call. Go to myrentor.com. Thanks for watching. Rent Easy.